If you've been searching for a Regex option in Zendesk ticket trigger conditions, here's the short answer. It doesn't exist. Not in a limited form, not hidden in a menu. It's just not there. This video breaks down what operators you actually have, where Regex does work in Zendesk, and what to do instead. Ticket trigger conditions give you 4 basic operators: exact match, partial string match, tag list matching, and their negations. That's it. There is no pattern matching, no wildcard, no regex. Zendesk made a deliberate choice to keep triggers fast and predictable, which means less flexibility for complex routing rules. When you open a ticket trigger and look at the condition options, this is what you see. No regex in the dropdown. The contains option does partial string matching, but only for text fields, not for tags. Regex is not completely absent from Zendesk. It just lives in different areas. Live chat triggers and messaging triggers both include a full Python regex operator. Custom ticket fields also support regex, but only for validating form input at submission time. None of these help with ticket trigger logic. Here's the live chat trigger condition builder showing the regex option. It uses Python's regex framework and looks for a full match, not a partial one. This is useful for matching page URLs or chat content, but it only applies to chat conversations. Your first workaround is using the contains operator more strategically. For subject text and comment text, contains does partial string matching. A condition like subject contains refund will catch refund request, requesting refund, and refund number 12345. The key caveat for tags, contains means exact tag match, not a string within the tag. The most practical fix for complex tag matching is restructuring your tags. Instead of a single compound tag like Australia Premium User, use 2 atomic tags, Australia and Premium User. Now your trigger can check for Premium User using contains at least one of the following and catch every regional variation in one condition. This diagram shows the before and after of tag restructuring. Compound tags force you to list every possible variation. Atomic tags let one trigger condition cover every case. If your tags come from an external system, enforce the naming convention at the API source. For cases where you genuinely need regex, webhooks are the escape hatch. A trigger fires and calls your external service. That service runs the pattern matching logic. It then updates the ticket via the Zendesk API, adding tags, setting fields. A second trigger picks up those changes and takes action. You can host this logic in AWS Lambda, Zapier, or Make.com. For detecting keywords in ticket comments, use a comment text contains at least one of the following words, with a space-separated list. One trigger condition can catch urgent, emergency, ASAP, and critical all at once. Just know that only the most recent comment is evaluated when the trigger fires. Keep your triggers focused. One trigger, one clear purpose. Structure them in lifecycle order: creation, then routing, then status workflows, then notifications. Test on real tickets before going live, and document your trigger logic outside Zendesk, because descriptions have character limits and future team members will need the context. Eesel AI takes a different approach entirely. Instead of building trigger rules around keywords and tags, it learns from your help center and past tickets to understand what customers actually mean. It knows that charged twice and duplicate transaction are the same issue. You write escalation rules in plain English, it handles 80+ languages, and setup takes minutes instead of weeks. If maintaining a growing stack of triggers, webhooks, and tag rules feels like more overhead than it's worth, try eesel AI free for 7 days at eesel.ai. No credit card required, no regex patterns needed.